Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel Hulu add-ons like HBO Max to reduce your monthly subscription costs, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to hulu.com. Log in with your account credentials to access your Hulu account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Add-ons section to view all premium channels and services currently active on your account. Step 4. Locate the HBO Max add-on or any other add-on you want to cancel, and click on Manage or the three-dot menu next to it. Step 5. Select Remove or Cancel Add-on to initiate the cancellation process for the premium channel. Step 6. Hulu will ask you to confirm your decision and may display information about when the add-on will end and any remaining access period. Step 7. Click Confirm or Yes to complete the cancellation. The add-on will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation from Hulu, verifying that the add-on has been removed. Your future billing will reflect the reduced subscription cost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Cartier.